In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL Quantum 350 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Pairing up your JBL Quantum 350 with your iPhone is an extremely simple process. The most convenient way to do this is going to be over Bluetooth. So like most JBL headphones, you just have to put your JBL Quantum 350 headphone in pairing mode. So first, go over to the settings on your iPhone, and in there you will be able to go over to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. As long as Bluetooth is enabled, you will be ready to pair up the Quantum 350 headphones. So now put it in pairing mode. Usually this will be done by sliding upwards and holding the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. You will see a blue LED flashing, indicating that it is now ready to be paired. Once it is in pairing mode, you will be able to find it under the available devices, so just choose it from the list, and now it is going to be connected with your iPhone. You can now open any game, any video, or any sort of audio, and it is going to go through your phone. So all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, you put the headphones in pairing mode, and now all the audio coming through is going to be available for you to listen to. Just make sure that you repeat this as many times as you wish, but usually doing it once is going to be enough, and every subsequent time that you turn on the headphones, they are going to be automatically connected to the same device. If it didn't work, double check to see if you put it in pairing mode properly, and also that it didn't automatically connect to other devices around the room. So for example, a PC or laptop. Make sure that it is paired up with your phone and not something else. And of course, be in close proximity when you try to set it to pairing mode to connect it to your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Quantum 350 to a phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.